Hey guys, what's going on today? It's Dustin here, and today we are actually going to be replacing a mirror on a similar pickup to this here. So this right here is my 2014 High Country, for most of you guys that follow the channel already know. But my buddy Chance, who was actually in a few videos ago whenever we bought the Duramax, he's coming over today. His driver's side mirror is busted up, so we're going to replace that with it. We found a really good deal on eBay for a used mirror that's OEM. That's one bad thing about the aftermarket ones, guys. Unless you really know what you're looking for, a lot of times the actual glass in the mirror can be real shaky. So he got an OEM one, really happy about that. So since it's about 30 degrees outside and we're expecting snow tomorrow, I am going to be moving the High Country out of the garage. So whenever he gets here, we can pull his 2014 GMC Sierra up here and work on it where we're out of the wind. So let's go ahead and get this moved. I'm gonna have to be careful before long. My neighbors are gonna start hating me. We don't actually have a garage bay for the Duramax. I've got this parked over here. My wife's actually at work, so we're gonna leave that bay closed. Of course, Chance is going to be parking in here, and then in the backyard you can see Cooper out there. He's outside playing. It's his favorite thing to do. Isn't that right, Coop? Up above the pool you can see the S10 that we need to get rid of. So guys, I've got all my tools over here. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit of a mess. I'm going to start pulling some of the tools out that I know that we're going to need. Let me move my blower here. I really like this blower, guys. The Milwaukee Fuel brushless blower, battery powered. That's actually really good. I may do a review on that one day, but you just need a standard socket set and a couple of flathead screwdrivers, and that should be all you about need for this job. Chance,
it's a good looking mirror, isn't it?
Yeah, I talked about that a little bit earlier.
I learned to back with it. So if you look at the sweet spot up here, it's fine. So
right up in here where it's not cracked. Well, we got us a mirror that we're going to put on today.
Driving my truck, and there was a truck or a trailer or something got a little too far over, and neither one of them stopped. So we found a mirror on eBay for $134, which is a lot cheaper than what they normally are.
Top notch. So I guess I get to hold the flashlight today. There we go. There's one. I'd throw that thing in your seat. Excuse me.
I don't know if I'm going to put it in the seat. I'm going to put it in the floorboard.
That's true.
My truck, member.
Oh, yeah.
Country, not city.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Boom. Just like that. All right. So now, yeah, we need to pull that trim piece, don't we? I don't know if I could ever be a mechanic for somebody else because it makes me nervous. You just watch me do this to yours. Are you about to make me do it?
You get over there and break it. Just push the power button.
No, it's going right now.
Okay.
Man.
Yeah, I don't know, dude.
I can see kind of where the clips are back in here.
I said just work your fingers underneath it. You have dainty smaller hands than I do. Look at there, you're pulling it out.
Oh, I think it's going, isn't it? In this garage, we use a screwdriver for everything that you're not supposed to. There we go. That's looking good. Boom. How are the clips looking?
Didn't even break any.
Man, it's clean. Look at that. Woo! Professionals here. All right. Now, who makes the best tools in the world, Chance?
Well, Milwaukee, of course. If you're in Turner's garage, if you're in mine, it's Black & Decker.
Milwaukee, please sponsor us. Man, look at that. Isn't that great?
Yeah,
oh, man.
The truck.
I could keep it. No, actually, how this is going to work, because I'm the little guy, I'll have to crawl under there and get it. Isn't that right, Chance?
You calling me fat?
No. Was there two down in there?
Yep.
So if you saw so far, he did one behind the handle there, and then two
in the, I guess,
where you grab the door.
This is the latch, the handle.
Remember, this is redneck engineering at its best, guys. We're not professionals by any means. So, yeah, I think you stay away from up here. You just stay on the white.
Stay on the bottom, right?
Yep.
These are smaller, so we need to...
Okay.
That's in the pocket.
And these are 7mm, by the way. So one way deep in there.
Is it magnetic?
Nope. Let me reach in there, try to get it.
Yeah.
He's a little bit different too. Yeah, let's do this then. Let's keep them in order over here. We'll set this guy here, this guy here, that guy way towards the end. Pocket.
That one right down there.
Goes up there. Where did it go? Do you see? You got it? I'll set it up even higher. Organization's good. All right, so remember that now there's 2 down here. Are there any more up there?
Are we on?
I think we decided that this one was attached to the actual panel itself. I don't know about this guy, though. It wouldn't hurt to take it out.
Well, we have 2 down here.
Yeah. Well, we could take the 2 out down there and then see where it hangs up as we try to pull it off. Awesome. So we'll set these closer towards us. So then we should be able to start prying at the bottom, right? Yeah, right down there. There we go. There's a few plastic clips in there to hold on. Yeah. Whew. It's a little cranky. Does it feel like it's hanging on anything there? Man, that side's going a lot smoother. There it goes. This side's free. You got tape over there or something? Okay. Did you see anything? Oh, okay, I see it. Just fall off. Okay, so then there is. Brackets out of the way. So if you pull the over okay, we need mechanism that sits up there. Your door handle, which you just pulled down on this, didn't you? Pulled down and then out. And then you gotta be really strong, stronger than me, to undo the harness that actually goes to the mirror. That's why we got shades here. So now, if I remember right, we gotta take this out, right?
Yep.
I think it just kind of unsnaps, doesn't it? All right, let you guys down again.
This guy here.
Okay, yeah, there's a little guy here that pops out. So it puts you in the back there. Okay. All the time we're going to have fun with this little clips go right here.
Not bad, because they look good on these.
Oh, yeah, it does, doesn't it? Okay, so it should be fine. There you go. Brute force. We'll move your clips so we don't step on them. So out with the old, in with the new. Let's check out our awesome eBay purchase. Checks out pretty good. There's your one scratch that you saw.
One little scratch.
Man, that's not bad at all.
So for
I might have one day on a lunch break some touch-up paint that we could put in there.
for $134.
Man, and it's OEM. You can't beat that. Got the nice little side mirror there.
That was the clip that we were
stuck on. wonder if we'll be able to force that one in there. I'm pretty happy for that price. So that plug just comes through here. Wonder if I had a screwdriver or something. If I could. Here you go. Okay, we got it. All right, now we just got to line up the holes. All right, let's guide this back up under this lip here. Is this going there? Yep. I'll take it off over here. Yeah, I think it's on there. Flex this side. You've got a little bit of white showing on this side, so I don't think it's quite. That feels like it right there. Quality GM engineering.
Funny story, my mirror actually got knocked off just about the end of his street, so.
You got knocked off at the end of my street?
Pretty much. We just came in town there. Because the black, or the white yard, or not yard, but the white piece, that one on the top, was in that lady's yard.
You should have told me to go get it. I went and got it.
Well, crap, look at the end of it.
Oh, that's a good point.
Shattered it with
We might have been able to sell it.
I don't think so.
Oh, you didn't bring your shed?
I did bring it.
You did?
Yeah.
All right, we got to give you a little free advertisement, man.
So, he wanted to go see this place I hunt. And
We've been in.
a deer I'd been hunting. And I found one shed I don't know, like 3 days earlier. And so I knew he probably dropped the other one somewhere pretty close. So I had been going back out there and looking and driving and around, but I hadn't had time to like get out of the truck and actually walk. And so Dustin and I drove out there, literally 5 foot from the passenger side of the truck. I'm gonna blame him because I'm never in the passenger side, so I can't see just below the truck. But I mean, it wasn't 5 foot from where my tracks were. My boy and I went out there Sunday, and I found the other side. So I measured him. He was pretty wide. I got game pics of him. He stayed pretty wide. He never came in. I measured him and just, guessing his inside, his outside spread, and tip to tip, I had him at around 150. So I was glad to know that he made it through the season. So next year we're going to try to put a game plan together, try to get him on the ground. But nonetheless, it's pretty cool to be able to find a matching set, especially in the state of Arkansas, to find a matching set this large. Because, up in northwest Arkansas, we don't have just gigantic deer running all over the place. We do have some pretty good deer around here. But I was pretty excited and tickled to death to have it, especially when my little boy's 4, so he was tickled to be out there with me. So, you could have found it, but you didn't. You're not on there. No.
This is my forte. Actually, Chance and I go way back. He actually is the reason where the financial institution that I work at now, he got me my job there.
It was alright. So a few years.
Yeah, I think he's an alright guy.
We got the door all put back together here. My truck is dirty, as always. I did go through the car wash, but
Show your sticker.
car wash just cannot. My sticker.
Yeah, man, it just tracks out.
Oh, it just tracks. Just cannot get the mud off there that was kicked on. So, anyways, there is the new mirror. New to my truck, anyway.
Ooh, looks good.
Matches the other side.
Man.
I'll take it. Got the old Nitto Ridge grapplers on there.
Yeah.
That's where it's at. I'll be putting another set on when those wear out, because I am a strong believer in those after buying that set. My Raptor cheapo running boards have had a rough life.
But they protected your truck.
They did, yeah.
How about that?
I had a little dent in my rocker panel. We went to Colorado a few years back, and well, this truck saw more mud than anything I've ever driven before. We actually went through something that if I hadn't been going a pretty good speed, we probably would have got stuck. Anyways, right there is In His Tracks Outdoors. Make sure and go subscribe to our channel. If you like hunting and fishing, and it's nothing too serious. We're just a bunch of guys that get together and hunt and believe in God. So we enjoy bringing that to y'all.
Well, guys, that's about everything that we had planned for this video. I hope you guys sure enjoyed it. Hey, guys, I'm going to leave a link down below to let you guys check out In His Tracks Outdoors. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to check out the channel. They got some really cool content on there. And guys, definitely stay tuned. We've got a lot more. You can't really see it very well, but we've got a lot more content with the 04 Duramax over there. And of course, we got some more content coming with the High Country. So be sure to stay tuned. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy that. Until next time, take care.